Hello and welcome. This is the very first news bulletin from Mr. CAM, dedicated to the world of CAD CAM and digital manufacturing. From now on, you'll be able to follow the latest industry updates in a convenient video format. No need to scroll endless pages. Just sit back and watch the highlights. These past 3 months, June, July, and August 2025, were packed with major releases, new partnerships, and leadership changes that are shaping the future of machining, robotics, and AI. Let's dive in. Early June saw the release of Cimatron DieQuote, a cloud-based tool that speeds up stamping die cost estimation. DieQuote uses algorithms and customizable design parameters to build accurate quotes that reflect material preferences, machining time, part complexity, and overheads. The software automatically extracts features such as forming, flanging, and piercing operations and optimizes blank shapes for material utilization. Reporting tools allow users to generate detailed cost reports and continuously improve their quoting process. According to Cimatron, users can produce comprehensive, customized quotes within minutes. In late June, Hexagon's Manufacturing Intelligence division announced ESPRIT EDGE 2025, a major update to its CAM software. The release tackles 2 industry challenges at once: programming complex Swiss-type machines and closing the growing skills gap. ESPRIT EDGE now includes user-friendly Swiss machining functionality with an intelligent digital twin. The twin can model complex machines like Citizen L series and Star SR series and offers advanced features such as superimposition, composite axis control, and automatic prepositioning. It reduces manual code by synchronizing channels, supporting adaptive cycles and tilted plane rotation. Real-time simulation and OEM-tailored G-code help manufacturers avoid collisions and eliminate expensive post-processor tweaks. The release also brings AI-powered tools. Hexagon Copilot is a virtual assistant that uses natural language processing to guide programmers, while ProPlan AI uses historical machining data to optimize processes. Hexagon says these tools automate repetitive tasks and make CAM accessible to users of all experience levels. Swiss machines used to scare programmers more than Swiss cheese with extra holes. Now Hexagon promises to make them behave like a Swiss watch with a jet engine. If this works, we might finally see programmers sleep at night instead of dreaming about channel synchronization. Hexagon continued to make news in July with EDGECAM 2025.1, an update that improves productivity across milling, turning, wire EDM, and multi-axis machining. The release introduces smarter automation via a technology assistant that now factors turning depth data plus PCI-driven 5-axis strategies that speed up programming. A new raceline finishing cycle automatically calculates the fastest toolpath across complex profiles and includes start-side control and fixture awareness to reduce machining time. Simulation is enhanced with a mesh-based comparison mode that lets users rotate and zoom during verification without recomputing. Further improvements cover 5-axis lead type control, parallel lace milling, roughing passes prioritization, turning updates, and wire EDM tagging options. User interface upgrades include a SQL server-based tool store, TLS 1.3 encryption, and persistent simulation settings. Raceline finishing? Sounds like something Formula One engineers would love. In reality, it just means faster toolpaths and fewer coffee breaks waiting for simulation. Not bad, Hexagon, though we still want a Make Perfect Part button. Mastercam 2026 arrived with the aim of eliminating workflow bottlenecks. Built on customer feedback, the release features a redesigned solid hole functionality. The new 3-panel interface, geometry, hole style, and advanced options, lets programmers design complex hole features with ease, shortening programming time for parts with multiple hole types. Tool management sees a revamped mill tool holder designer and lathe generic tool catalog, along with a tree-based planes manager and levels manager for more intuitive setup. Safety zone motion priority offers new options to reduce air cutting and optimize paths. On the machining side, features such as OptiRough critical depths and tapered helix entry improve roughing efficiency and chip evacuation. Expanded mill turn support brings legacy toolpaths into mill turn environments. Finally, Mastercam announced an early adopter program for the Mastercam Copilot, an AI-powered assistant that answers programming questions and guides users through interface automation. The Copilot is like having a junior programmer who never gets tired, never takes a lunch break, and actually listens. Just don't expect it to bring you coffee. Yet. In business news, SolidCAM and Titans of CNC announced a multi-year partnership that integrates SolidCAM's CAM platform into the Titans of CNC education network. SolidCAM will power tutorials across 2.5D, 3D, CIMCO X, traditional turning, mill turn, multi-channel, and Swiss-type machining. The partnership also includes premium post-processor support for machine brands such as Sail, EMCO, Tornos, YCM, and Matsura. Titans of CNC's CEO called the collaboration historic and noted that hundreds of new tutorials and full-part machining series will be produced. Importantly, SolidCAM's Maker version 2025 will be free for students, hobbyists, and makers. Imagine learning CAM from YouTube and finding out it actually works in the real shop. A new generation of machinists is coming, and they'll probably beat us at programming and gaming. CIMCO Edit 2025 and CIMCO ENCY machine simulation will soon include comprehensive sub-spindle simulation. The update lets users simulate chuck and stock transfer directly from ENCY programs, improving precision and reliability in complex CNC operations. Visualizing dual spindle activity aids control and error detection, and CIMCO provides a demonstration video to illustrate the functionality. Sub-spindles are like juggling chainsaws, impressive but dangerous. Good thing CIMCO gave us a practice mode. Finally, we can juggle without losing fingers or parts. On the robotics front, Universal Robots launched UR Studio, an online simulation tool built on the Polyscope X platform. UR Studio allows integrators to build one-to-one simulations of a work cell, test robot movements, simulate reach and workflow, and calculate cycle times. According to UR's Chief Product Officer, the tool is designed to give both newcomers and experienced users assurance and certainty before committing to an automation solution. The platform interacts with UR's robot portfolio and accessories, supports importing elements to mimic the real workspace, and is completely free to use. It runs in a desktop browser, requires no installation, and includes templates for common tasks such as machine tending, screw driving, and palletizing. Multi-language support is coming soon. OpenMind Technologies and MachiningCloud announced a significant integration that allows hyperMILL users to access the MachiningCloud's comprehensive tooling data directly from within the CAM software. Accessing detailed tool specifications, recommended cutting parameters, and 3D models will streamline tool selection, reduce programming time, and minimize errors. MachiningCloud provides an extensive library of cutting tool data from top manufacturers. The integration ensures hyperMILL users always have the latest catalogs and application data. Both companies emphasized that the partnership will continue to deepen to provide greater value to customers. No more typing in tool specs manually and discovering later you swapped millimeters for inches. This feature alone could save marriages in machine shops. ENCY Software announced that it will officially launch ENCY 2.0 and showcase the full ENCY X ecosystem at EMO Hannover 2025. ENCY 2.0 brings a redesigned interface with a new start page, license status bar, and light UI theme. A tool assembly editor for mill turn machines, smart feeds and speeds with material-aware adjustments, a material removal rate graph, and feature-based geometry selection are among the key upgrades. The release also debuts an AI process planner that analyzes 3D models locally to suggest operations, ensuring data privacy. Beyond the core CAM tool, the ENCY X ecosystem includes 3 additional products: ENCY Robot 2.0, which adds faster collision avoidance and automatic axis mapping for complex robotic cells; ENCY Tuner 2.0, a G-code level simulator and editor with a step-by-step wizard for interpreter configuration; and ENCY Hyper, a real-time robot control environment that enables immediate execution and adjustment of robot motion. ENCY invites CNC programmers, robot integrators, resellers, and technology partners to its booth for live demos and consultations. ENCY didn't just bring an update, they rolled out a full ecosystem. With CAM, robotics, simulation, and AI all under one roof, ENCY is clearly positioning itself as more than just another CAM vendor. If they can deliver on this vision, EMO Hannover might mark the start of a serious new player in the global digital manufacturing arena. The summer of 2025 made one thing clear: digital manufacturing is accelerating, with AI, automation, and smarter integration leading the way. For the MISTER CAM community, this means fresh opportunities to learn, adapt, and stay ahead. Subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you in the next bulletin. For more news and in-depth articles, visit MrCam.com.